everyone, Savannah here, and for today's video we are at Hobby Lobby and I cannot wait to show you all the amazing spring finds for Easter time. I have these really cute Easter bunny baskets. Comes in both blue and pink. Then look how cute these little Easter pillows are with the little chicks. They have some more pillows here. And look at these little peep pillows. Comes in different colors. And then here are the little viral bunny decor here. These are $100. So cute. And then look at these little Easter eggs here. Little Easter bunny. They have a whole bunch of bunnies here. These are really cute to put on your table. More Easter eggs here. You assemble them. They're priced at $35. These are really cute here. These pictures. Look how cute this little bunny is with the glasses and the little bow. This one's really cute too. This one's nice here. I think it's just like so simplistic but really beautiful. Perfect for the springtime. This one is priced at $23.99. Then here is another one here. This is nice with the little cross with the flowers, priced at $11.99. And then they even have a mini frame here, and this is priced at $2.99. I think this is so dainty and pretty. And then here they have some crosses, little bunnies, more signs. This is cute here. It says welcome with the little bunnies. He is risen. Whole bunch of different signs, perfect to put up. Then here's a fun section of the different felt Easter eggs and bunnies. I love the different sizes, so if you're looking for bigger bunnies, they also have smaller ones as well. These are so cute. These are currently priced at $3.50 for the small ones. These eggs are $5.99 for the larger ones, and then the smaller ones are $3.50. And these are really nice too, these glass eggs. I love the pretty colors, perfect for the springtime. Even have these small ones here, some plain white ones. And then if you're gonna be like decorating like a tablescape, they have different eggs here for that. Or perfect to put in like Easter baskets. If you're doing some type of crafts, these would be really nice. And then they have a whole bunch of bunny figurines here. I think this one is so cute with the little macaroons. This one's priced at $8.99. And then they have a whole bunch of different bunnies. Look at this small little chick for $3.50. This is fun here, the little bunny with the sprinkles. Priced at $3.50. Then look at the little gnomes with the Easter eggs, the flowers. One says Happy Easter on it. So nice. These are cute too. Easter bunny stop here. Easter blessings. Hello spring. They have some gnomes up there. This is cute too. The little welcome sign with the little bunnies. Look at these flowers. And then too, this would be like really nice to put, you could put little Easter eggs on here, or you can put like so many different things. This is priced at $7.49. It comes in both blue and pink. Look at the bunnies here. So nice. And too, they have a whole bunch of different boxes. These would be really nice for gifts. And here's just a little overview of the outdoor yard signs that they have. I feel like this is so fun to decorate your yard, especially when the weather gets nicer. I love this one. It says Happy Easter on it with the little chick. Ones with carrots. Look at this little bunny riding the bike with the little eggs, priced at $12. Even have him too with the carrots. These are pretty. These Easter eggs priced at $6.50. I love the pastel colors. It makes me so excited for the springtime. Looking for different carrots. They have a whole bunch of ones here. This larger one is priced at $10. They also have these smaller ones priced at $8. And then these even smaller ones here. These are, let's see the price. These are $6. Really nice if you're gonna be doing crafts with these, or if you're just decorating, it's also good too. Look at these little sticks with the bunnies, the chicks, the little plaid bunny. And they have these little signs. I think little signs are just so dainty, perfect for the springtime. This is cute. Flower market, you could use this all spring. Locally grown Easter eggs, carrot patch. Hello spring, this is pretty. Priced at $3. Easter bunny, please stop here. Easter bunny, welcome. And they have little mini bunnies. And these would be so nice to put on a vase, and they are quite heavy. These are priced at $4. I feel like these are just perfect for the springtime. You can do so many different things with these, especially when it comes to crafts. And I love the pastel colors. In this aisle, they have a whole bunch of other Easter decorations. Look how fun this basket is with the flowers, the eggs. I feel like it's so put together. And let's see, the price on this is $26. They have a whole bunch of wreaths as well, from the fake floral ones to the ones with Easter eggs to different ones here. I think this one is nice here with the bow. Then look at this, the little Easter bunny, priced at $23. Every bunny welcome, it's cute. Then here they have some different sticks, ones with flowers, eggs, little bunnies, these festive bunny hats. These are pretty here with the florals and the eggs. And then they have more wreaths here. This one's nice with the little bunny. I feel like this would be perfect to put on your front door to welcome in Easter. And this is priced at $15, which I feel like is a good deal. And then they have these mini wreaths here with the flowers. These are priced at, let's see, $25. And they have larger ones here with the beads. And then moving on, I feel like this would be perfect to put on your dining room table or your kitchen table. And this one is priced at $17. Then they have little decor pieces here priced at $10. We have these little photo op signs for your yard priced at $7. These are so cute. They have some more crafts here. And then they also have these Easter eggs priced at $3. And they have these larger ones priced at $7. Have these smaller yard signs priced at $5. You get 8 of them. They have some stickers. They also have these little crafts here. Here's a quick overview of all of these Easter eggs that they have. And then here they have a whole bunch of Easter bunnies. I think these are so cute here with the little Easter eggs. And these are priced at $13. And here's a whole nother aisle of fun Easter decor items. They have this garland here. They have these drawing mats, pastel lights, little bunnies. These are fun, these placemats. You get 2 of them for $7.50. They have these honeycomb bunnies. And look at this little felt banner, perfect to put on Easter baskets. This one says Happy Easter, and then they have one with the flowers. Here they have different little knickknacks and decor pieces. Look, they even have this fake grass for your table. And then they have these placemats. They even have these baskets, and I think that no, these are for these here that light up. And here are some other decor pieces. Whole bunch of carrots here. These are priced at $2.99. They have some napkins, some decorative bunnies. Here they have these mini bunnies again, priced at $3.50. I love the pastel colors. They also have some boxes. And then if you're gonna be taking food to different gatherings, I think these are so cute. Priced at $5. They have this little bunny here. This basket priced at $19. And then they also have these baskets here, which are nice. I really like the one with the little bunny on it. There are some other Easter signs. The little yard signs. So fun for Easter time. Here they have these water bottles. Perfect for the springtime. I love the pastel colors, and these are 40% off now. Then on this aisle, they have a whole bunch of Easter and springtime baking finds and kitchen finds. Here they have their section of table runners. This one is really cute with the little bunny. And then they have these pillow covers as well. Some other tablecloths here. They have the fake grass, even have like little placemats. These are cute with the little bunnies and the chicks. And they also have these mugs here, priced at $11. Whole bunch of different things for Easter time. Here they have these napkin sets, some sponge cloths, and then all their plates. I love the pastel colors, and ones like these I think are so fun that say Easter blessings. And here they have some more plastic pastel plates. Love all the colors that they come in. And then here they have some more placemats. Some Easter glass trays priced at $26. Some pastel lights. Bamboo skewers that are little carrots. And then here they have some Easter banners. Little honeycomb bunnies. And then if you're going to be doing some type of gifting, they have these gift bags. These are also really nice to wrap the Easter baskets in. And here they have some baking finds, whole bunch of different sprinkles, plastic cups, so many different fun things for Easter. Look how adorable these bunny plates are, priced at $8. And then they have a whole bunch of pretty napkins as well. These are cute with the bunnies. And then they have some little cupcake liners, some zipper bags with the handles. Look how fun these are. These forks that come in purple, pink, and blue. And then here they have these festive paper straws as well. Then look at these little plates, Happy Easter, priced at $6. They also have these candy molds, cross cookie cutters, different tips for frosting. So nice. And then they even have these little basket fillers, some fun straws, this little bunny pin, confetti flowers. So fun. And then if you're going to be doing some type of crafts, they have this twine priced at $2.99. Comes in all these fun colors. If you're looking for smaller Easter plates, they have a whole bunch here. They also have these little bunnies. I feel like this would be so fun to put candy in. And look at these little rain boots. So cute. This would be really cute to put like different flowers or even fake flowers in. And then they have a whole bunch of different kitchen towels. I think this one's cute with the little 3 bunnies. And then here they have some Peeps water bottles. Some more kitchen towels. Look how cute these are. And they are quite heavy. You put little Easter eggs in these. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to subscribe down below and give this video a big thumbs up. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.